Hey, nice to see you again on the new CrocFIX video tutorial. So we have here a brand new Samsung Galaxy A11 Plus tab, and as you see here, the tablet is locked. So if you accidentally made a PIN code here or a password and you can't use the tablet, then use my video tutorial and I will help you to gain again access and to use your tablet like you should. Okay, so if you have a PIN code and you don't remember it, or you have a password or maybe a pattern to draw, you know, the lines, then I will show you how to remove this. Keep in mind, you will need to know the Google account associated with this tablet. So if it's your tablet, then you need to know your first Gmail account and password, which is in this tablet, the main account, okay, to activate the tablet again after this procedure. So we need to do some steps here and then we are ready to go. So unfortunately all data on the tablet will be deleted, lost. The tablet will be like brand new. So you can't actually recover the data unless you had maybe a backup on your tablet somewhere, okay? So what you will need to do is following. You need the tablet itself, and then you need an USB-C cable connected to a computer, to a tablet, another tablet, or maybe another phone. You just need a signal here. So the cable just needs to be connected here, but you can't use a charger. Charger won't work. So any other device, okay? So I would also like to say that I put really a lot of effort and time in these videos. I would really appreciate if you can maybe say thank you at the end. If it did work, write a comment. And if you have some spare money, you can also donate. The donation link is in my video description. So if you want to send me for a coffee, for a thank you, much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so let's go. You take the cable, put it in, all right? Then we will click here on the power button and we try to turn off the tablet here. So you turn off with volume down and with the power button. So this one button is, if you click it up, it's volume up. If you click it down, it's volume down. So it has two functions, and this is the power button. So let's click volume down and the power button here, and then power off the tablet. Okay, you can't power off because you have here this pin numbers. So what you need to do, we are going to press all three buttons here and hold these three buttons until the tablet restarts, okay? So you can put your tablet down, hold it with these two fingers, and then try to click all three buttons here. Okay, so volume up, volume down, and the power button. And we hold these buttons until the tablet restarts. And when you will see the logo coming in, so the Samsung logo, actually, no, we do it earlier. We click all three buttons. When this goes to a black screen, then you release the volume down button, but you keep holding volume up and power button still until you see the Samsung logo. And when you see the Samsung logo, you really release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. Okay? So again, turn on the screen, press all three buttons and hold them. Hold, still hold, all three buttons. Hold, hold, hold. Until, oh sorry, so it's a little bit trickier, so make a position where you can actually hold all three buttons. Again, turn on the screen, click all, sorry, so again, click all three buttons, hold all three buttons, still hold them, hold them, hold them, hold them. Okay, the tablet restarted, we release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button. Again, keep holding until you see the Samsung logo. Now we release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. So keep holding the volume up button, we need to get into the recovery menu. If it don't work for the first time, don't worry, that's good, because I can show you again, so you can easier see what is going on. So again, let's go. Press all three buttons. the best would be that you actually, it's already restarting. So you click volume up and the power button now, because it's usually better that you click on turn on the screen so you see when the tablet is restarting. Okay, when you see the Galaxy logo, you release the power button, but keep holding volume up button. Okay, and then you come into the recovery. So got you. Again, all three buttons pressed, the tablet restarts. When you see the black screen, you release volume down, keep holding volume up and the power. When you see the Samsung logo, not just the Samsung and the Galaxy logo, release the power button, but you always keep holding volume up button until you come into the recovery. That's it. Then you can take out the cable. Then we go here down with the power buttons in the menu. You go down and click on Wipe Data Factory Reset. It means it will reset the tablet. Then you click with the power button to confirm. And again, down, volume down, to Factory Data Reset, and confirm with the power button. This will wipe everything. Now you click on Reboot System Now and confirm with the power button. So okay, this will restart the tablet now, and you will come into the Android system. Then you connect to your Wi-Fi, and you will see the on-screen instructions. You just follow them, and of course you need to also to put your Gmail account in and your password. Otherwise you can't unlock it. If you have forgotten, then you can go on Google and search for "I forgot my Google account" and follow the procedure there. If you can't recover it, then you have a really bigger issue, and this reset won't help you. So this is only if you forgot the screen lock, but you know your Gmail account, okay? So let me know in the comments if it did work for you, if you have any other questions, if you have suggestions or something. And yeah, if you want to make a donation, the donation link is in my video description. Thank you in advance for your donations. So I see you in the next video. Happy to help you guys.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Here on my channel, just click on more, and then you have here the donation link. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.